Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install NumPy, Pandas and Matplotlib module on a system. So guys, let's start the video. So first of all, I'm starting my command prompt. So in search, just type cmd, and guys, here my command prompt has been started, and now I will be showing you Python and pip version. So for that, just type Python space hyphen version, and guys, you can see the Python version which I'm having. Also, I'm showing you pip version, so just type pip space hyphen version, so you can see the version of pip which I'm having. Now guys, I'm starting ideally just to show you that I'm not having this NumPy on my system. So in search, just type ideally, and here you can see ideally, just start it, and now here I'm just typing import NumPy, and guys, you can see the error, no module name NumPy. That means NumPy is not there on my system. That is confirmed. Guys, let's go back to command prompt and type the command for installing this NumPy. So pip space install space NumPy, and guys, you can see download has been started and it is done. It is showing me successfully install NumPy, and it is showing its version also. So now I will go back again to my ideally, and there I will again type the command import space NumPy. So guys, you can see here I'm not getting any error. That means my NumPy is installed successfully, right? Guys, let's move to the next library. So we will install Pandas. I'm writing command import Pandas, and you can see again I got the same error, no module name Pandas. It means Panda is not there on my system. Let's go back to command prompt and type a command for installing Pandas. So write down pip space install space Pandas, and done guys. Now just hit enter, and you can see download started, and guys, it is done. So it's showing me here successfully install Pandas. Okay, along with this Panda, it has installed other library which is required. So now we will go back again to ideally, and I will type import Pandas, and here guys, you can see I'm not getting any error. It means it is done, successfully done. Now I will import again Matplotlib, and let's see whether we get error or not. So no module name Matplotlib, that means Matplotlib is also not there. Let's guys go back to this cmd again, and here let's type pip space install space Matplotlib. Okay, and hit enter guys, and now you can see the download of different module has been started. So whatever is required, it has installed it. Now I will go back to my ideally, and I'm typing import Matplotlib and hit enter guys. Now no error coming, that means it is successfully installed. That's all. I'm minimizing this ideally, and here guys, I can show you by using this command pip space list. So it will show you all the module installed on your system. So here guys, you can see we have Matplotlib, we have NumPy, we have Pandas, and along with this some other library has also been installed. So it's showing you all the available library. So guys, I hope by following my video you are able to successfully install this library on your system. If yes guys, then don't forget to hit on like button, and if you have any query, you can put in comment box. I will surely reply to your queries. And guys, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit bell icon. And guys, if you want a free PDF and notes related to computer science, you can join my Telegram channel. I share lots of material over there. The link is in description box. Thank you guys for watching my video till end. See you in next video. Till that, bye bye, take care, keep learning guys.